Hi, welcome to Python tutorial. In this video, I will discuss how to develop a Python program to read the contents of a file, extract the contents of the file, and display all those lines which starts with from in the given file. Now, first what we need to do is we need to read the file name from the user. To read the file name, I will use input function and I will store that particular file name into fname. So fname is equivalent to input and then I will pass the parameter as enter the file name. So we are asking user to enter the file name here. Now once the user enters the file name will be stored into fname. The next thing is to open that particular file, and if it is opened successfully, then we need to read the content of that particular file. So to open that particular file, we need to use open statement or open function, and the return handler can be stored into fhand, which is equivalent to open, and to this one we need to pass two parameters. The first parameter is the file name and the second parameter is the mode in which we want to open the file. Right now I want to open that particular file in read mode, so there is no need to mention it in explicitly, because by default file will be opened in read mode. If you want to open in write mode or append mode, it should be mentioned explicitly. Now what will happen in this case is I am trying to open the file in read mode. There are two possible cases. If that particular file exists in the system, definitely I will be able to open that particular file. If it is not present, definitely it says that the file not exist and it will give you an error. So just check it out, what file exists in our we can say that the system. Right now if you see this particular thing, I have test.txt and test1.txt. These are two files are there. I don't have anything apart from it. So what I try to do is I just try to see whether I'm able to open this particular file. So test.txt. Yeah, I was able to open this particular file because this particular cell has successfully executed. Now I'll try to open the same file as execute the program to open some other file. Let us say that xyz.txt. This particular file is not present. So what happens in this case is it will throw you an error. I'm not interested in such kind of error. What I want is I want error like file not found. I want to handle these kind of errors explicitly. So in such case, what I need to do is I need to use try and except block. So I will use try here, and then what I do in this case is I'll put the error into except block. So except block, what I do is I will print file not found. So that is what actually I am trying to put. So what happens in this case is if file is successfully opened, then it will continue with the execution. If file is not present and if it is not opened successfully, it will go to except block and then it will print file not found. Now assume that the file is successfully opened. What is the next thing I need to do is I need to read the content of that particular file. So I will use for statement for line in. You can say that the return handler of open statement, that is fhand. So what I am trying to do is I am trying to read one line at a time. Now once I read the content of that particular file, that's the first line of that particular file, I need to check whether there are any leading or trailing white spaces are there. That is whether a line starts with the white space or whether it ends with a you can say that the white space or a new line characters and so on. If such kind of things are there, we need to remove all those things. So how can I do that? One is with the help of strip function, that is line dot strip. So what this particular strip does is it will remove all leading and trailing white spaces or the extra characters. So those, if you want only the character to be removed at the last stage, or can say that the end of the string, I need to use r strip in that case. If you want to remove all the white spaces or the extra characters at the beginning of the string, I need to use l strip. So in this case r strip is quite good in this case. Now what is the next thing? The next thing is I have read the line, I have removed an extra spaces and all those things. What is the next thing I can do here is I will check whether that particular line starts with you can say that from. If it starts with from, I will display, otherwise I don't display it. So I can use a string function, that is line dot starts with, and then I will pass there is a pattern what I am trying to search for. I am trying to search for from, so I will pass this particular pattern here. Now if that particular line starts with from, it will return you true. In that case you can print that particular thing starts with, I think the spelling is wrong, starts with. Now what I can do is, if it returns true, you can display that particular line, otherwise you can skip that particular line. So this is how actually the things will happen. So this is a very simple program where I have read the file name from the user, open that particular file in read mode, read the content of that particular file line by line. If line starts with from, I have displayed it, otherwise I have skipped that particular line. So we just check it out whether it is working fine or not. So I will pass test.txt. Now if you see the output of this particular thing, I got not three, I got only two, what we can say that the lines, those both the lines are starting with from here. We just check it out whether it is the same or not. Test.txt. If you open that particular file, I think there are some different lines are there, around 14 lines are there. Out of that, second line starts with from, fourth line starts with from, none of the other lines starts with from in this case. So this is what actually the simple program to display all those lines which starts with from in Python. Now there is another way of writing this particular program. Rather than using this what we can say that a string function, I can use what is that called as a regular expression. So remaining everything will be as it is, it will not be any issue with that particular thing. I can change this particular thing. What I am trying to do in this case is I am trying to use a starts with function which is of string function. Now I am not interested in this thing. So what I am interested is I want to use some regular expression, and then I want to display the lines which starts with from. So what I can do here is the first and foremost thing I need to do is to import re. So that is regular expression. Re means regular expression. Now here I can use some regular expression function. If that regular expression function returns true, then I will display that particular line, otherwise I don't display it. So what is the function here is I need to use search function, that is re.search. I am searching for what? I am searching for from. Where I am searching for? I am searching in line. So if there is a if that particular line contains you can say that from, the line will be displayed in this case. So we just check it out what is the output I will get in this case. So the file name is again test.txt. So in this case I am getting 3 lines as the output. The first 2 lines are started with containing from as the first word, but in the third line I am getting the line which starts with male actually, but this particular line contains from, that's the reason this is also displayed. Now the question is how to do this particular thing. I want all those lines which starts with from. So what I can do is I can use a caret symbol for this particular regular expression. So caret symbol followed by from, it says that I am interested in all those lines which starts with from. Caret means starts with. If that particular line starts with from, it will be displayed, otherwise it will not be displayed in this case. Now if you see the output, that is test.txt, definitely you will get only 2 lines in this case. So this is how actually we can write a simple Python program using regular expression to get all those lines which contains which starts with from. Otherwise we can use the strings starts with function to display all those lines which starts with from in this case. I hope the program is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.